C++
Ayun, good
Learning
evening. So,
Journey,
ngayon
Simple
ay
Blood Group
natin
App, Part
day
6.
45 na aking learning journey sa C++ tutorial. So, tara, continue tayo. So, kahapon, natapos na natin yung delete function. So, ngayon, doon tayo sa search by group. Di ba? Search by group. Ito, search record by group. Dapat by blood group, no? Search record by blood group. Tapos syempre, need natin ng gagawin natin display all. Gagawin natin yung display all. So, ayan. Tapos